focusing on the role of teachers, which is our second step in this research-oriented project, and we are trying to identify what is the evolution that the role of the teachers is going to take.
The most important role for teachers in an AI-powered classroom, I think it's to find the equilibrium, the balance in between human and in between artificial. So both is needed, and also they need to explore that AI is not their rival. So AI is a tool, a complementary tool in order to facilitate or in order to help the acquiring process of the knowledge itself.
One opportunity of AI in education nowadays is, from my opinion, that we as teachers will be able to more personalize the learning journey of our learners.
As artificial intelligence becomes more and more integrated into education, there is a huge need for teachers to reskill and to start using that tool or more tools as a help, not to make more and more work to do, but to make that work less work for them. Most important, each school needs to make the strategic planning, how to, let me say, make school long-term goals, that it becomes part of the transition in the next level teaching in future.